Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Japanese stocks rose Friday after the yen hit its weakest level in nearly 6 years against the dollar, a day after the country's central bank kept its aggressive monetary easing policy on hold. And the European Central Bank surprised investors by cutting its main policy rates to bolster growth. The benchmark Nikkei 225 continued a rally that started in early August. The index was last up 0.2% and up about 1.6% so far this week. The US dollar rose as high as 105.71 yen in early morning trade. China shares were mixed. The Shanghai Composite was up 0.3% after closing at its highest level in more than 15 months. Thursday, as confidence in reform action from Beijing picks up. Hong Kong's Hang Seng was down 0.2%. Elsewhere in Asia, Australia's ASX 200 was down 0.2% amid continued weakness in the iron ore price and the resilience of the local currency. Overnight, the dollar extended the strong gains it posted against most major currencies in the wake of robust US service sector data, coupled with the European Central Bank decision to loosen policy, which plummeted the euro. The euro extended losses after ECB President Mario Draghi said the bank will begin an asset-backed securities purchasing program to shore up the recovery and steer the continent away from deflationary decline. The Australian dollar fell in Asia on Friday despite a private survey showing upbeat house contraction. US dollar Japanese yen traded at 105.37, down 0.11%, while Australian dollar US dollar fell to 0.9340, down 0.09%. Euro US dollar traded at 1.2934, down 0.09%. Dollar stays firm against European majors after yesterday's ECB-triggered sell-off in euro. Focus will turn to employment data from US today. US August employment report 12:30 GMT. The consensus forecast is another strong month for the US labor market. Non-farm payrolls are expected to have increased by 225,000, up from July's 209,000. Unemployment is expected to tick down a bit to 6.1% from July's 6.2%. A strong employment report would be a perfect excuse to keep purchasing the US dollar strong against other major currencies. And after yesterday's fall in euro-US dollar, we can definitely say the low volatility but choppy market regime of 2013 and early 2014 is over. It was the latest market news provided by IQ FX. Goodbye.